KashKick bank verification problems usually happen when the app cannot confirm your account information, your bank connection fails, or the details entered do not match your financial account. By the end, you'll know the common reasons KashKick cannot verify a bank account, and the steps to check before contacting support. The first thing to check is the information you entered during verification. Your name, account details, and any required banking information need to match the information your bank has on file. If the details do not match, the verification process may fail, because the system cannot confirm that the account belongs to you. Another issue can happen when the bank connection itself does not work correctly. If KashKick uses a connection service to verify your account, temporary connection problems can prevent the verification from completing. Try closing the KashKick app, reopening it, and attempting the verification again. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version because older versions can sometimes cause account connection problems. You should also check whether your bank supports the verification process. Some financial institutions may block certain account connections or require extra security steps before allowing access. If you are using a different bank account than the one connected to your KashKick profile, confirm that you are entering information for the correct account. Avoid repeatedly entering incorrect details because multiple failed attempts can create additional verification delays. If your bank still will not verify, contact KashKick support through the app or website. Include the email connected to your KashKick account, the bank verification error message, and the steps you already tried. Support can review account-specific issues that cannot be fixed through normal troubleshooting. Before contacting support, collect screenshots of the error and confirm that your banking information is correct. This gives the support team the details needed to investigate the problem. The main fixes are simple. Check your account information, retrieve the connection, update the app, and contact KashKick support if verification continues to fail. Start by reviewing the details you entered and the exact error message shown during verification. That will tell you whether the problem is your information, the bank connection, or the KashKick account itself. Subscribe for more app fixes and guides, and like the video if it helped you solve your KashKick verification issue.